Hello all. In this video, we will be showing you how to download your free annual credit report to submit to our credit specialists for the credit insight and recovery blueprint we offer at Common Sense Tax and Credit Solutions. First, you're going to work to find annualcreditreport.com and open this site, which will take you to a page to request your free credit reports. It will then take you to a page showing you a 3-step process for obtaining these credit reports. Once you finish reading the 3 steps, you're going to click Request Your Credit Reports. Next, you'll be taken to a screen where you're going to fill out your personal information. And once that's filled out, you're going to hit Next. When you get to this page, you're going to click all 3 reports because you want a 3-bureau report, and then you're going to click Next. After this, you'll be taken to a page displaying your name and other personal information to identify you. Please submit the email address that you listed at the beginning of the form, as well as the phone number. Now, you will be prompted to another page that is going to verify your information, and you're going to submit your email address and phone number again. If you see that everything is correct, you're going to hit Accept and Continue. Select a text message or a phone call to retrieve a security code, and once retrieved, you will enter that passcode and then press Continue. You will be taken to your credit report, and then at the top of your browser, select File and Print. When you get to this page, instead of print, select Save as PDF, and then you will have your credit report. Thank you for choosing Common Sense Tax and Credit Solutions.